This is Asia's #1 coffee shop for 2025. Apartment Coffee in Singapore was ranked #1 in Asia and 6th in the world on the 2025 World's Best Coffee Shops list. So we did a bit of homework to find out why. Take a look at what happens when we enter the cafe.
Take a seat anywhere you like, and I'll talk to you when you're ready.
Ordering coffee can sometimes feel rushed, especially when you have a queue behind you. But here, they hand you a menu and ask you to take a seat. That small gesture changes everything. Within minutes, I started to feel what made this place special, reminding me of something J. Kim once said about hospitality. Roasteries must deliver coffee quality. That's what they sell. On the other hand, for cafe owners, your currency is hospitality. You're not in the beverage business. You are in the hospitality business. This is their May 2025 menu, and we were informed that the selection of specialty coffee changes every month. At the top of the menu, they also set clear expectations on the 1-hour seating time, and setting clear expectations is always appreciated. Also, you only pay at the end of your visit. Since this is a channel for beginners to specialty coffee, we thought it would be nice to show a bit of the behind the scenes of how our drinks were made. We didn't get to film everything, but we saw a few interesting things that home baristas might want to replicate.
Something that's a little bit more adventurous, which is the Sierra Leone right now. And I tasted it, I get a lot of like the banana and raisins, so it's quite a little funky kind of chocolate.
Okay.
We do both chocolates, hot and cold. Most uniquely, I would say the cold chocolate. I used to come here a lot as a customer as well, and I fell in love because it's basically a ganache that we just made with water and like chocolate, melted it down, and then we'll spin a little bit of cold foam milk as well, and then serve it in the frozen milk. So you don't get any dilution. It feels like melted ice cream. Very unique Singaporean flavors as well. So I think is what we showcase is just like their single origin stuff. But they do make really interesting, like I think they have like salted salted egg yolk type of chocolates as well. Yeah. So we basically steam up some milk to have some foam, so it's a bit more stable.
The frozen buns,
Yeah, the frozen, so no dilution.
Thank you.
Enjoy.
Yay.
At the time of our visit, there was no merchandise for sale, no food options, no pastries, they don't do takeaway, and they have a 1 hour time limit. On paper, it sounds like a list of rules, but in practice, it felt intentional, like they just wanted you to slow down and really taste the coffee.